Why men great till they gotta be great? Woo! I just took a DNA test. Turns out I'm 100% that bitch. Even when I'm grinding crazy, yeah, I got boy problems. That's the human in me. Bling bling, then a something. That's the goddess in me. Coulda had a bad bitch, non-committal. Helped you with your career just a little. You're supposed to hold me down, but you holding me back, and that's the sound of me not calling you back. Why men great till they gotta be great? Don't text me, tell her straight to my face. Best friend sat me down in the salon chair. Shampoo press get you out of my hair. Fresh photos with the bomb lighting. New man on the Minnesota Vikings. Truth hurts, needed something more exciting. Bum bum be dum bum be. You try to break my heart, oh that breaks my heart. That you thought you ever had it, no you ain't from the start. Hey, I'm glad you're back with your chick. I mean, who'd wanna hide this? I would never ever 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 be your side chick. I put the sing in a single. Ain't worried about a ring on my finger, so you can tell your friends, shoot your shot when you see him. It's okay, he already in my DMs. Why men great till they gotta be great? Don't text me, tell her straight to my face. Best friend sat me down in the salon chair. Shampoo press get you out of my hair. Fresh photos with the bomb lightings. New man on the Minnesota Vikings. Truth hurts, needed something more exciting. Bum bum be dum bum be. I'ma hit you back in a minute. I don't play tag, bitch, I've been in. We don't fuck with liars, we don't do goodbyes. We just keep it pushing. Aye. I'ma hit you back in a minute. I don't play tag, bitch, I've been in. We don't fuck with liars, we don't do goodbyes. We just keep it pushing like aye. Why men great till they gotta be great? Don't text me, tell it straight to my face. Best friend sat me down in the salon chair. Shampoo press get you out of my hair. Fresh photos with the bomb lightings. New man on the Minnesota Vikings. Truth hurts, needed something more exciting. Bum bum be dum bum bay. Hey.